Hello friends, welcome to Repair My Mobile, and today we are going to compare F64 and the latest U70. So let's discuss what is the difference and where you can buy it. So over to you, our chief software expert, Mr. Sayad. Sayad sir, please continue.
Thank you very much, Mr. Siddharth sir. So, welcome back. This is Muhammad Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So, first of all, you check on my screen. This is JCID Android 9 programmer. This time it is very special in the market because we can say like this is the abbreviation of the F64.
Okay.
So we can say you check here the design and the sockets of the BG as well as the ISP
Yeah, it
sockets.
looks similarly like the F64. As you can see, the adapters, even the adapter looks same, and the ISP also looks same. Look like the
Yes,
same company and
definitely.
design both.
No. It's a
Just,
different.
just a difference in
It's
the
a different.
color. Rest of the things look exactly same.
Yeah, so we can say we exactly you check here the socket is very clarified, is very same like the Type C of JCID and F64, but you check the color is different here. Almost it's a adapter and sockets are similar with your F64, and it's work similar. But when you coming on the BG socket, you
Okay.
check it's have only two sockets. But if you bought F64, definitely they give
There
four
are four
sockets.
sockets, yes.
So it's a work on the MMC 4 in one socket, similar like your F64. They also support 4 in 1 socket in MCP. But here you check UFS all in one supported in one socket. But F64 given three sockets.
For that. Yeah.
So you check here when you connected any IC, similarly you need to this mate to connect before the
Small
ICs.
adapters.
Yeah.
Small adapter within an adapter, so that whatever the size of the ball, you can fit
Yeah,
it
definitely.
accordingly.
You can use this mate also, or you can also riff. After that, you come on this ISP socket. It is just Type C also, eMMC and UFS,
Okay.
similar like your
Same as the
F64.
F64.
After future, when you coming on this socket, maybe damage or break, so you can use this socket.
Okay.
The smaller, similar like your
Similar
F64.
like F64, yes.
Definitely. Talk about your BJ socket. In F64, we got four types of BJ socket.
There are only
Here,
two.
only two. But what is similarities here? F64 have also that supported 4 in 1 MMC BJ socket in F64.
Okay.
Here is also 4 in 1 BJ socket is here. But you mention here the adapter between the ICs.
A smaller adapter to
Right.
fix the as per size.
Right. Come to the UFS. In F64 have particular adapter for the UFS BJ.
Three adapters, yeah.
Right.
There are three adapters for F64.
153, 254 and as well as 297. Here you connect on one adapter directly of 254, 297, 153. Mention is you connect with this connector, otherwise your IC is not detected. So we can say like the connectivity of the BG socket as well as the ISP here the similar the connection point with F64. So we can say it's a look like F64 but the color is different here.
Just a difference in color. Overall features are same.
Right.
Even the topics are also same. What are the things it covered? Is same look like as an F64. Yeah, please come to this.
Now you check here in U70 generation 2. First of all, U70 is generation 2.
What is
That
generation
means-
1?
That means generation 1 is already past time. U15 launched by the JCID
But that was not so success in the market.
because they have not given the good update for the user. That's why it's
Okay.
totally broke. Now this time the protocol version supported here perfectly in UFS, MMC as well as ISP like F64. Come to the blazing speed. It's giving same speed like your F64, but written here 250 reading and writing is 350. But both are similar speed. Nothing to happen anything within the two
So
boxes.
just F64 has a different color and this is a different color. Rest
Right.
everything look same.
Come to the branding support of the IC brand. It's written SanDisk, Toshiba, Samsung and blah blah blah. But it not mentioned the special right now X Booster. Hugely uses the in the market in mobile. X Booster company of
This
the
is
IC
not
brand.
supported.
Maybe
Maybe not.
Easy tag supported. Sometimes it's not supported, but F64 definitely it's supported, and it's working right now either for FRP and partitions. But here it's not mentioned. Try to them after the sometime when I am installing and using the JCID. Definitely I will show on the videos. After that you check here the sufficient. It's a user friendly interface because F64 also given the simple words read write erase to user friendly access to interface also Same like JCIT, you can use. So we can say the both boxes are the same platform, but the color is different and some
It's-
specific thing is different.
Yeah,
here.
so it looked like just F64, and yeah, this is the latest and the biggest hit in the market right now. And if you want to learn, you can join our online classes. Students from Nigeria, Ghana, Canada, Malaysia, Indonesia, UK, from like more than 20 countries is learning online with us and growing their business. If you got any question, please mention in the comment. Thank
Thank
you
you very
very
much.
much.